Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Now, the second factor that we shall learn about is the thickness of membranes. Diffusion takes place across some membranes in the cells, like for example the cell membrane that we have or that we learned earlier. Now, so we can say that the thicker the membrane, the slower the rate of diffusion. So we are saying that the thicker the membrane, the slower the rate of diffusion. Because the particles cover a longer distance. And vice versa. So the vice versa says that if the membrane is thin, then the rate of diffusion is faster because the particles will go through a shorter distance.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.